For optimal security when facing an emerging threat, ISS SPOTTER Automatic provides an innovative, intuitive and ergonomic solution designed to be easily integrated with your existing surveillance system. With its 3 modular operating modes, click and go, automatic ground and automatic risk assessment, it enhances the decision-making process and enables the operator to anticipate critical situations. Suspicious activity or trespassing, using click and go mode, ISS SPOTTER Automatic deploys quickly on the designated hotspot in order to identify the threat and take suitable action. When the ISS Spotter is on automatic round, if the security officer is in doubt or if a problem has been detected by the Security Control Center, ISS Spotter Automatic will interrupt its patrol on request and fly to the designated hotspot for a swift and effective risk assessment. Once the doubt is lifted, the drone immediately resumes its round. ISS Spotter Automatic enables both quick assessment of situations and controlled reactions. Convenient and easy to handle, it will assist the security officer whatever the circumstances. ISS Spotter Automatic, an alternative viewpoint for optimal security.